Is AI-generated art redefining creativity? Today's $100 Optimus Award goes to Erik Haynes for this piece titled Seaweed Sunset. AI-generated art is pushing the boundaries of what we traditionally consider creative, merging human imagination with the precision of algorithms to produce unprecedented forms of expression. Here, Erik has produced a close-up in sharp focus as the sun is setting distantly in soft focus, connecting near and far. As Steve Jobs once observed, creativity is just connecting things. AI connects data in ways that reveal new artistic responsibilities, challenging our understanding of creativity. I'm William Ammerman, and I'm passionate about the future of artificial intelligence in the arts. I invite you to share your own AI artwork or nominate an AI artist you know, and join our growing community at optimusawards.org.